it was somebody there. I went on the racetrack to buy 9-3. Up came a man with a big belly, telling me he just got an inside tip with his 4-2, and he make me buy it. Race gone, 9 on the rail, he goes it 3 we shaking it tail. They paid 900 in Kokias, and what the man gave me came Tycola to the... What a vision that a dead man sent down to me. Well, I jump on the bed and I'm at it high because I saw that a dead man won't tell a lie. I dreamt that a man was building a house. What fell on his back was 3 little mouths. And I told my it was not hard to explain who it was. The filter sliding window frame. Race gone, 9 on the rail. He goes in 3 we wagging it tail. The same 900 in Kokias and what they gave Taifa came Taifola to the... You instead, how easy a man could be misled. Jockey Sami said he was shocked when he got a cable from the paddock, proving when number 3 had the flu, and he noticed that 9 started to get it too. Well, believe me, and nearly break down the door. If you hear me by the boot, 2 for 4 to what all he said. Race 1, 9 on the rail, he goes it 3 we shaking it tail. The same 900 in Kokias, and what the man gave me came Tycola to it. I got to make him out by his tie. He asking the next man what horse to buy. I hit him what? After you playing boss, take that in your ear for making me lost. Because the race ball, 9 on the rail, he goes in 3 we shaking it tail. The big 900 in for gas is why I bought the lash in it. So what?